Amazon. It's the Ramen Raider coming at you with yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time! The show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles and not how to act. Today I've got one. Look at that. Energy. Look at that. What's going on there? River snail flavor. River snail with the Demon Weird Shizuren Energy Bowl cup flower pot. Alright, so here we go. Here's how you deal with these. Included fork. So what you do is you add everything into the cup. And then you pour a lot of boiling water on top, and then you're good to go. So let's start with that. So the trickiest part is just getting this open. This is the rice vermicelli. And yeah, these are from China. Here we go, rice vermicelli. Easy if you open it up inside the cup. Or the flower pot, which is how I like to refer to these things as. It's still a pain in the butt, though. I gotta say, there's gotta be a better way. Ooh, it's already 12:30. I've got this one and one more to do today, but no worries, we'll get there. We're gonna cram right through it, and we're gonna win, because that's always. I'm honestly, I am tired of winning. Okay, there's that. We'll go for this large pouch, sachet, what have you. That has the river snail smell. I don't know. It kind of has this like earwaxy kind of thing going on. I don't know. My friends in Taiwan who are Taiwanese and Chinese born had to say about all the different things that they eat in China. They said if it moves, they'll eat it, unless it's a car. Just like everything in China. Anything that moves, it's fair game to make some kind of cuisine out of it. Which is cool. Why not? What do we got here? Everything. Ooh, that's pickled. Pickled something. Here's another sachet of pickled something, I'm sure. A lot of pickled to go in, that's for sure. So what are we on, our third sachet now? 3. For the guy who's like, dude, I just want varieties that have tons and tons of sachets. Where do I get them? What am I gonna get? I'm like, China, dude. There's your number 4. This, I believe, is garlic water. I could totally be wrong, but I believe it's garlic water. Which is something you find in, it might just be oil. I'm thinking about the, what is it? Oh yeah, that's garlic. I think, I don't know, but I'll try. I want to say that's garlic water, kind of like, what is it, Jiangxi cold noodle? Shangxi. got in here? These are not peanuts. These are those weird, funky deals. So, where's that fill line? No, it's one of those kind of decide for yourself fill lines, I guess. Well, oh, and it's pungent too. I'm filling you up to here. Right up to there. You are getting 5 minutes. Which I wish it wasn't going to take so long, but hey. That's the price that we have to pay. So, let's see. Everything seems to be going well here. So, let's do our quote from Momofuku Ando. And then we'll go on to some other pressing business. Number 90. Wow. A business structure is an accumulation of small steps. Without a firm and well-trodden foundation, a company can easily crumble like a house of cards. So, recently, the Ramen Raider, there's a group on Facebook I started years ago, and not a lot of people were in it, but now there are. It's called Instant Noodles, the Ramen Raider. Simple. So if you type in Instant Noodles space the Ramen Raider, you'll hit my group. And then you ask to be, to join, and I'll say, Well, lately, it's just skyrocketed. Like in the last 2 months, I think I've gotten like, I don't know, I just broke 2,500 people who are in the group. 2,500. And it was at like 300 or 400 for eons. So that's cool. Thanks for joining. But with the influx of more people, of course, you're going to get an influx of more people that are maybe, I don't know, big frickin' pains in the ass. So, but anyways, there was this guy that just like flipped out. He was just being a moron, so I had to boot him. I didn't want to. I don't like to boot people or ban people. Generally, I figure a large group of people is going to have somebody come in, start saying things, and the societal structure is going to see this new guy as like, wait, that messes with the way we do things around here. I'm more than happy with new guy coming in with new ideas and stuff and ruffling feathers. There was a guy who came in and did a post showing using cannabis butter to make with ramen and making like stir-fried ramen with cannabis butter. And one of my members was like, hey, this is a clean group, get that out of here, admin. I'm like, no, not doing anything wrong, might not agree with it, but it ain't a horrible thing. So I'll let things like that fly. This guy was just going and like starting fights. He was trolling like there was no tomorrow. So what can you do? You know, but I guess ban him. I mean, I didn't want to at first, and I really waited way too long, and then finally I did, and I apologized to the rest of the people in the group for it. And people had nice things to say. They were like, you know, I understand giving people the benefit of the doubt, but this guy was a jerk, you know. Well, yesterday, got another one. Just the dude, and what was his deal? He just like came in and was like, I see all sorts of instant noodle things and not just ramen in here. What's that about? It's like, why don't you do more of that? And it was just like, everybody was like, here we go again. And then he just started dissing on everybody. I thought, okay, this is valid. And then I was like, no, this guy's just being a little pain in the ass. So, right as I was sending him the message, it's like, chill out, enjoy, post your picture of malt liquored Cheetos, a hot dog, and a bowl of top ramen. You know, do that and move on with it and be cool. And then I told him that, you know, and he had just sent me a message right when I was hitting send. He was like, "Can I ask you a question?" I'm like, "Perhaps." And he's like, "Why is everybody freaking out on me? Why you gotta be such a bitch?" And I'm like, "You don't call the god of ramen a bitch. And you really don't call anybody of that in my group that. It's my flock, man. Come on. Gotta protect your flock." But, yeah, so all my children, I will protect thee from the trolls. From now on, if anyone comes in and acts odd, they will feel the hammer of the god of ramen. Done. So, yeah. No, I don't really take it seriously. I don't figure that I'm actually a god. I just think it's fun. So. And there we are. Perfect timing. Only the timing that is worthy of a god. God ramen. I'm gonna stir some noodles in a bowl. Oh my. You wanna see? There's a lot going. Look at all that. Got like radish, pickled radish. This part didn't seem to do so well. I wonder if it's 6 minutes. I only got 21 minutes to go though. I gotta really jam on it. Jam on it. Jam on and on and on it. You know what I'm talking about? Then you do. Yeah, this is from China. And it's river snail flavor, which might make a lot of people really turned off. Very spicy, very acidic. I didn't wet the noodle. The noodle is definitely not done. That's not its fault. That's got to be like pickled radish. The amount of vegetable in this is great. I think this stuff is like tofu skin. I'm not sure. But wow. Pungent, strong. Real flavors that definitely impart themselves well. I like it. It's not something I would normally get, and there's no chance I could eat a whole bowl of that, but I would like to definitely try something more in a restaurant atmosphere. Here, let's pour this in the bowl. Let go. You need to let go. Just let it go, let it go. There you go. That's good. And then we're gonna have some veg. Don't know exactly what. Let me look at coriander, why not? A little bit of spring onion right there. Come on, it's river snail. It's down by the river. A little bit of pepper flake. Ooh, we're gonna be right under the bell on this one. A little bit of rotato. I'll add a little bit more on while we go. Yeet! All right. Hey, Mimi, all done? Mimi, you're supposed to be eating your lunch. Naughty, naughty. My daughter's not eating her lunch, ladies and gentlemen. There she is. There she was. Anyways, river snails. It's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. You know what's coming up tomorrow, don't you? Don't you? What's that? Oh my. Hee hee. Bye bye.